Hello, my friend. This is Raghuveer Goyal live at Department of State in Washington, D.C. or United States Foreign Ministry in Washington, D.C. Live. This is Raghuveer Goyal. Once again, United States is standing with India against terrorism from across the border from Pakistan, and U.S. will continue to stand with India with shoulder by shoulder and standing side by side with India against terrorism. Once again, today at the Foreign Ministry of the United States or the Department of State, regular briefing, special briefing or regular briefing by the Department of State spokesperson, Miss Tammy Bruce. Once again, Miss Tammy Bruce, the spokesperson for the United States of America, in a special briefing today at the State Department, made it clear that Secretary of State Marco Rubio spoke with the Foreign Minister of India and with the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and she said that Secretary of State made it clear to Pakistan that stop terrorism, and United States is standing with India against terrorism. Once again, Secretary of State made it clear to the Foreign Minister of India and the Foreign Minister of Pakistan that United States is standing tall and shoulder by shoulder and standing side by side with India fighting against terrorism. And she mentioned that Tammy Bruce, the spokesperson of the State Department, that Secretary of State warned Pakistan's Foreign Minister against terrorism, that United States is standing with India against terrorism, and U.S. will not tolerate, as far as terrorism is concerned and terrorist activities are concerned, against India or against the United States, because what she mentioned was that Secretary of State Marco Rubio made it clear to the Foreign Minister of Pakistan and to the Foreign Minister of India that United States is standing tall, side by side, shoulder by shoulder with India against terrorism, and U.S. will not tolerate, as far as terrorism or terrorist activities are concerned, against India, and United States will support India against terrorism, and U.S. and India will fight shoulder by shoulder, side by side against terrorism. And he mentioned, as far as the peaceful, innocent people, innocent tourists in the state of Kashmir in Pahalgam were murdered by the terrorists inside Pakistan. They are sponsored by Pakistan, and among them were some from the tourists from the United States of America. U.S. will not tolerate, and U.S. condemned terrorism and standing tall